Alright, it's the first Tuesday of the month, and it's time for the monthly test here in Braunfels, Texas. Monthly siren test. So the sirens that you're probably going to hear are two down that way that are, two of them are downtown, one of them's Gruene Rd. And then over there you're going to hear 2001 over by the HB soccer field. Here's this thing. You'll see a video about it in about you'll see a video about this thing next week. And I'll be quiet. It's almost time for siren test. It's currently 11:58. We have 2 minutes. I'm gonna go out here so we can hear the modulators down by downtown. And ironically, it just turned sunny. I'm gonna have to stand here. This is the only shade. One minute. I'm gonna keep quiet from here. Bam! The modulator's glitch again. It's supposed to alert. Why is it doing high-low? Oh, never mind. There was one that was working. Sounds like Gruene Rd was working. I can only guess that's the Toob Chute one. Still going off. Oh dear. I think that's the Toob Chute one glitching. I ain't cutting the video off until this thing stops. There it goes. That's it, guys. That was the monthly siren test for New Braunfels for September 2025. See you later, guys.